Right? There's no connection here. So the Prophet ﷺ forbade us to make intercession regarding the hudud. This is in the dunya, ikhwani. That means prescribed punishment regarding a crime that you've done in this life. As for the hereafter, Allah will give you the permission and to intercede. And nobody's going to be intercede except for Allah, whom had given the permission to intercede. Like for example, Allah Azza wa Jal give the intercession for prophets, angels, believers. Not only that, Allah Himself will intercede for Himself. Allah, He's all the intercession been taking place, and the only intercession left is me. And His intercession is the one what gets everybody out of the hellfire except for the ones who are mushrik. Everybody, even person who done no good in his life, except that his Tawheed is not scratched. Monotheism, Tawheed. You got Tawheed correct? That's why the focus upon our da'wah should be where? Tawheed, ikhwani. Get your Tawheed right and abshir.